Hello guys, we're going to replace the brake pads of my back wheel. Now at the moment there are Brembo brake pads in it, and they have done about 12 to 13,000 kilometers and they are almost worn now. So I'm going to replace them by new carbon Lorraine blocks. So these blocks I will mount in. Here you see carbon Lorraine brake pads are now CL brakes. So I will show you how to do it. We take 8 and we turn loose this axle, and then the two brake pads can come out. You can replace the brake pads with a back wheel in it. The first time I done it, I took the back wheel out, but that isn't necessary. You can do it also with the back wheel in. You can take the axle out. The gasket you see here is in good condition. We can do a little bit of copper grease on it when we put it back in. We also have to turn loose this bolt. It's a 12. And turn that loose. See the copper grease of the last time I replaced them? And then we turn it away and take away the brake pads. So pull up the caliper and you can take away the brake pads. So here you see the old brake pads from Brembo. From the original brake pads there was a heat shield that we have to build on also on the new blocks. So you see this heat shield we have to make loose and place it on the new pads. Just do with a flathead screwdriver. So just take it off from the old pads and push it on the new one. Also with this one, put a flathead screwdriver between. Yeah. Take it off. place it back on the new pads. So the old pads and the new pads. To mount them back in, we're going to do a little bit of copper grease on these two sides. Not too much, because the copper grease can go on the friction material. And also on this part, we do a little bit of copper grease at these two parts, and also a little bit of copper grease here and here. So the brake pads will work fine then. That's part one. It's easy to put them in. Just put the caliper up. Back in. That's one. This is the second. Second one. We can take the axle and do also a little bit of copper grease on it. See, it's in the right position. Push a little bit, and then we can fasten it up. Also on this bolt a little bit of copper grease. I'm not going to fasten it with a specified torque, but just fasten it and it will be okay. Okay, that's fast. Also this one. Okay, it's fast. Then push a few times on the brake. And the new brake pads are on. Ready again to do 12,000 or 30,000 kilometers. Normally, with the original blocks it was 12 to 13,000, and with these Brembo blocks also 12 to 13,000. And you can see they are not entirely worn, but the best is off. Okay guys,